Watch. The world, it's not a plan. You know, don't know already. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. I want to know when time I come to represent for Gaza and Alliance in a full effect. When you know it go already, every time I aim up, crank up, load up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. When you know a loud explosion thing, boy, yeah. Watch. Hear me, no, man. Right about now, you know. I should say, you know. Them only get where them ask for, you know. You know what I mean? And whatever you put out in a life, that's where you gain back. So, basically say, Vybz Cartel, straight out I look one day named CMR, and I say Spice, Nero proper fix, for him nightly fix. But here what go on now. Me is a man, you know. When I don't know, I'm not really to roll with the indisciplined way in a certain type of thing. So, I'm not really. Furthermore, I should say, I'm not really too into the something other business. You see what I do? Because I don't have go to that extent there if I want you to feel bad. I have so many things I can't tell you. I'm not really into that thing there, the something other thing. But you know, you never can tell nobody how to express themselves, whatever anger them feel inside after whatever you said to them or whatever you make them feel, you know what I mean? You don't have control over that. But Monga said, the man them hunger get back where them dish out. Because you can't plan can and peace come. And impossible shit you talk about. You hear that? You see what I deal with? And enough people as me one of the first man make you know that youth the name Nero. A whole heap of people him violate. You know what I mean? And laugh about it. You know what I mean? So you have to look out back for them thing there at the ending. Because watch out about. I watch him violate people numerous of time. I not have to go there. But I just want him to know, say, you see how it feel when you go around and dish out dirt. That are the reason why I represent for Gaza and Alliance in a full effect. I talk about anything where if I feel like, but let me tell you something, I don't ever pot where bubble up you see me in it. I no salt and I no water. You hear me? I don't ever pot where you see a bubble I dive in it. I don't work that way there. You see me? But them youth them do them thing for brag and boast on the viewers or how much likes them have or whatever, you know what I mean? So them go to the extreme. You know what I mean? So when the extreme reach them back, me hear other people are ball and a lick out. But them don't know how the people them feel when them see a man there, you know, I go around and I go to the extreme against other people. So I saw it work. You see what I deal with? And I love how Vybz Cartel straighten out that one day named CMR because I always tell them. And further notice if Vybz Cartel let their road, none of them won't even call him name like that. And if him did active on him IG, like all the way, whatever IG or internet active, them won't call him name because him would have give them one of the wickedest disrespect. And that alone would have shut them up half of the internet because them would have so ashamed so them would have pack up and go to them bed. And then a lollipop thing. But here we are going now. You have some more bloggers who are going to get the same thing. Because them dead and I go like say, I feel them artists alone must shine. When them see artists are shine, them go over upon them page and them build video against the man them and act like a people. I say that because I hear a couple of bloggers are chat up them more about governor. But all the ladies them say governor disrespect them. The whole of YouTube me asking all of the show them where you watch governor go on. Who mostly you see a sing him song and a jump on a real film. Now the girl them a sing out him song and him can't even get to perform it himself. So all the girl them fat this the man said, the man a bash them. After you know dancehall lyrics from back in the days, some yellow man days come way, don't think they bill half a slapness or half a girl thing. You know what I mean? So me don't know how comes, you know. The man them a say, you know, the girl them a rebel, so governor this them, you know. And when me see the man a show, you know, a woman, me see her sing the man song them, me not understand that scene already. So it look like say, a bad mind the man them, bad mind the youth, because the youth hype right now and busting a dance hall. Because remember when them name Diablo and I say my Iron Ballo, and we never have nothing for good for say about him. Now the man boss as governor and hot up the place. We not come with full criticism. You see me? And I lie about it. You see what I say? Otherwise the girl them would have sing him song. Them una do that if them feel a way about it. So a lie una tell. A big lie una tell. And watch this now, man. Some of una talk about massacre. Song them sound alike and that. I like una like how at the youth is, you know. And think una can get the youth. And why not the youth? What make the man hot and what make the man hype right now in a dance hall? Una want him to stop it because of uno? I want to take the man off of the stand where him stand up on. Eh? You think the man are going to stop that? I think that give the man beam off a drive? That give the man house build up? Eh? That make the man fly all over the world? Where una say? And now when him do, I make all of that possible for him. Or him for stop where him do for please. Una think una bat him or what? Una fool, you know? That's why somehow now as we are going to get disrespect. No care when me talk about an artist, you know. If me open my mouth about an artist, you know, the living truth, it might get from me, you know. So the truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. You hear that? I'm not going to stop talk the truth, because I'm not going to go around and I look for no hype from no view, no like. You see what I deal with? I go represent in the right and proper way I'm supposed to represent, no matter how hardcore I make you know. The greatest thing I tell you now. And a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? And more while I not really talk about artists. I dust the boy where the boy them a chat say, and I have to explain out the real fact of the truth and make them know that, because me is a man, I no grudge against artists. You see when I deal with no artist can't stop me. You see me, and me boss myself and an artist boss me. You see when I deal with, I can do whatever the artists them do, whatever them buy for it, I can buy that said way. Whatever them wear, I can do that. You know what I mean? And whatever them drive, me do that. You know what I mean? And for fly go all over the world, me can do that. You see what I deal with? And on a lollipop thing, me can do that. Gaza Nation, me legal for go all about over the world if me want. You know what I mean? It just depends on if me want. Me go anywhere at all me feel like. You know what I mean? And a lollipop thing, me legally and rightfully have what it takes to do that. You see what I deal with? So, me is not a local lollipop youth where you see some man I run up on YouTube and I run up their mouth and I chat up their mouth and feel like say some form of lollipop thing. Me I'm not one of them type of man that I think global, you see what I deal with? A global thing I deal with, actually, factually, and naturally. And a joke shit. I think global, you know what I mean? I don't have to lie about it. You see what I deal with? So I don't have no reason for bad mind, no artist. You see what I deal with? When I have this, I don't have for bad mind, no artist at all. You see what I say? At the Statue of Liberty this. I'm legal. For go anywhere at all. No lollipop thing. So I don't have no reason for bad mind, no boy. You know what I mean? I'm work for what I want. You see what I do that? That's why I come on YouTube and chat the truth. I don't have to gimmick up nothing and mix up nothing. But I say that for say this. Right now, the girl them when name Sexy Lost Crew from round at Deepmost the 22nd. Them say for ask MC nothing. If the sting posters them on go post up in a length office or in a theme bedroom. Because all know them not still a posters a post yet and a couple more months left for December. And the man them a say them notice Governor Massacre, Shano, Rising King, TJ, them youth they fly almost every week. So the people them want to know, you know, if Stinger keep for real, or if you not make case, book them artists there because the man them act like fire and them will take on other show before the 26 come. So the girl them must say nothing. Them want to know what go on about the Sting thing. You know what I mean? And if you're hungry in your bedroom, you post up the posters them. Them need to see posters on the road if Stinger keep. And let me tell you something. You have no reason for Sting don't keep this year. You have too much hot artists. This is what I deal with, where people are going on for see. Much as the other monster artists them were there before. Watch, you know the general, the 10-star one, I know every time I represent, you know, man. You know nothing about the truth I bring in, you know a load explosion when I drop necessary equipment, but you don't it? Watch. At the general, 10-star way. What?